Welcome to our channel, where we bring you honest and detailed product reviews to help you make the best buying decisions. Before we dive into this review, remember that the link to purchase the wireless keyboard and mouse backlit typewriter keyboard with magnetic wrist rest at a discounted price is pinned in the first comment below. This combo is a standout choice for anyone looking to combine style, functionality, and comfort in their workspace. This wireless keyboard and mouse set brings a refreshing retro vibe with its typewriter-inspired design. The round, raised keycaps not only look unique, but also provide a satisfying tactile experience reminiscent of classic typewriters. The keyboard features a cool 7-color backlight system, allowing you to switch between different lighting modes to suit your mood or environment. Complementing this, the RGB mouse automatically cycles through colors, adding a dynamic and modern flair to your setup. The illuminated letters on the keys are particularly useful for low-light conditions, making nighttime work or gaming sessions easier and more enjoyable. Ergonomics are thoughtfully addressed with a detachable magnetic wrist rest made from durable ABS material. This wrist rest supports your palms and helps reduce strain during long typing sessions. Its waterproof and easy-to-clean design adds to the convenience, making maintenance hassle-free. The keyboard also boasts spill-resistant technology, which is a great safeguard against accidental liquid spills. Connectivity is seamless with a single USB receiver managing both the keyboard and mouse via 2.4 GHz wireless technology. This ensures a stable connection with no noticeable delay up to 33 feet away, perfect for maintaining productivity without being tethered by cables. Compatibility is broad, covering Mac, Windows, PC, and laptops, making it versatile for various users. Pros: unique retro aesthetic with round keycaps and backlit keys, 7-color backlight options, and RGB mouse lighting enhance ambience. Detachable magnetic wrist rest for ergonomic comfort. Spill-resistant and easy to clean. Reliable 2.4 GHz wireless connection with one USB receiver for both devices. Wide compatibility across multiple operating systems. Cons: the round keycaps may require an adjustment period for users accustomed to traditional keyboards. Backlighting, while attractive, may slightly reduce battery life overall. This wireless keyboard and mouse combo is a stylish and practical choice for anyone wanting to elevate their workspace, both visually and functionally. Don't forget, the link to get this product at a special discount is pinned in the first comment below. Check it out and enhance your typing experience today.